Alright, we are going to the next trail. The bigger trail. Someone is tired. She's tired. Just 1.2 kilometers. Plus because we walked repeated 2 times.
Oh, your monkey!
Where?
In front!
Oh, her favorite monkey.
Oh no!
Yay! Finally, we saw wildlife. This is the first animal we saw besides the small fish or tadpole in the nature trail. So this is where all the wildlife stays. She's afraid of us. Maybe because I look like a gorilla. A King Kong. Here comes the shining head. See? Shining. Without the hair, my head is burning hot, so I have to wear a cap to prolong my life.
Protect the botak.
Yeah, protect the botak. 12:15 now. It's uphill now. Yeah, you all the best. Good luck. She's feeling super cool.
So cool.
Yes. She is assuming we are in Hong Kong or Taiwan. Especially this period is the cold period. Right? Am I right? I don't know. So. Yeah. We reached the first checkpoint, the Piper Hut. Yeah. 会很远啊. Yes, finally can take a rest here. Drink water. We saw some squirrels. Yay! So cute. So far yet so near. Can you see them?
Hello.
Okay. Finally, we found some wildlife that we had never seen before. We saw the mousedeer, which we'll show you later. The photos and the video, a short video clip before we ran away. Hopefully, yes, you can get a glimpse of how does a mousedeer looks like.
I'm trying to find the buntut.
Buntut?
Dia ada leaf lah.
Which leaf?
Oh, dah. Okay. Kan, Wan?
Let's continue with our trail. There. So we have reached the observation tower. It's not very far from the checkpoint. I think more than that. Should be 8 stories or 9 stories. Finally, we are up here at the highest of the observation deck. Let's take a look at this view first of the Chestnut Park. Look at the beautiful park, the trees. As you can see, people are walking down there. The flowers where all the estates are. Huh?
Oh my god.
So he's at the top of the world now. Haha. Okay, so we are at the top of this platform now. Okay, the view is very nice and
Very windy.
only two of us, so there's no one disturbing here. It's so good, so windy. However, you are monitored every second because there's a CCTV. Yeah. So not to do anything fishy. Yeah. Okay. See you downstairs. We are going to check out the fallen tree and the reservoir area, and we have to go through Gangsa track. Is it for bicycle trail or walking trail? Chicken state. So I guess should be both. We are lost again. Don't know which way. This way or this way. So now we are walking back now to the observation deck and then back to the Chestnut Point. We'll call it a day today because I think we almost hiked around 6 to 7 kilometers altogether. So with this video, we will see you again. Say goodbye. Say bye bye, Joe. Bye bye. See you next time. Do subscribe to our channel and like our video. This is just a short walking trip at Chestnut Nature Park. See you. Bye bye. It's time to head back. Bye bye.